Hey, I'm Teryn. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to blow out your hair to prepare for a protective style. And the style I'm going to be getting today is knotless braids. So in this video, I'm going to be using the Doux We Want Easy Texture Tamer. And I just got this from Target. I saw this on clearance. I was like, perfect. I'm going to get my hair done today. So I'm going to be using it. So I'm going to divide my hair into a half clips, but whenever it's time to actually record a video, I never know what they are. I washed my hair and clarified. And so this says to apply to clean, damp hair, distributing evenly. When more natural, apply a liberal amount before applying styling products. Blowouts, evenly distribute a quarter size amount throughout hair, blow dry and style as usual. So yeah, I've really been liking the Doux, and it smells so good. It smells good. It says it smells, what's good? Glycerin, sweet almond, avocado and shea, silk, amino complex. So I'm kind of rushing. Well, I am rushing because whenever it's time for me to get a protective style, like I'm never prepared. Well, that's on me. Like in my previous video, I'm gonna be using the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer. I'm gonna split this again. I'm gonna split it some more actually. I'm gonna put this on low because I don't have as much time. So this section is already completely dry, like literally in the time that you just saw. Okay, so just going with that top section, and I think I'm gonna split this into two. Split this in two. Like that, stretch it out some, and kind of run through and finger detangled. I detangled in the shower. So there, this is going by so quick, and that's exactly what I need. My hair is completely dry, maybe a little bit damp at the roots, but I think when I do this net section, I'll be good. Okay, so going in with this net section, and I'll be halfway done. So I learned in my last video to hold the blow dryer brush straight up and down so it's a smoother finish. So if you've seen that video, this is definitely a lot more smooth. I don't put a lot of heat on my hair. The last time I got heat was on my hair was like about exactly a year ago from now, so it's January 2021. The last time I put heat on my hair, that was like my first time getting heat on my hair for like 2.5 years maybe, or yeah, like maybe 2.5 years going on 3. So I'm going back and putting the Doux Texture Tamer on the other side, and this is going by so quickly, which is exactly what I need. I should have done this last night, but I didn't have a clarifying shampoo, so I ran to Target to get the clarifying shampoo this morning just because I don't like trying new products with residue on my hair or getting a protective style without my hair being clarified. So had to do that. Took longer than expected, but here we are, almost done. And I'm really liking this blow dry cream. Like, it's not heavy at all. Like on the blow dried sections that I already have, it's very smooth and lightweight. So I can definitely see maybe even using this for when we're more natural, but I really like this product line. So again, just super, super easy. I'm just going in with this last section really fast. I already detangled my hair, but so there you have it. This is the fastest unprofessional blowout I've ever done. This is my hair. I'm going to get my knotless box braids. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.